Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First introduce, my name is Dini Aspirani from PBIC class. So in this video, which is the final segment for the speaking for general communication course, here I will discuss about speaking material, communicative competence, and CLT or communication language teacher. Here there are several questions that have been provided by the lecturer, and here I will explain my answer. Okay, let's go straight to the first one, which is to answer a few questions, namely A. I don't agree because from the definition of speaking, it is clear that speaking is a person's ability to express or express ideas, thoughts that are inside the involve other people in conveying that information by using words. So from what we know, we can convey words not only by voice but also in an explicit way, so that was not quite right. So in learning what speaking skill we need to know, namely to the understanding of speaking skills itself, then the benefits and objectives, because its essence, everything we have to know is the origin and what the purpose is before we follow up on something, don't until misguided and conveyed something wrong. Because science can help humans meet their God doesn't live. On the other hand, science is also capable of eradicating ignorance in humans, introducing humans to God, rebranding morals, and obtaining peace, perpetuating Islam, and seeking the pleasure of Allah. According to Richard's theory of the concept of speaking, which is divides the function of speaking into three, namely 1. Talking as an interaction. The function of speaking as an interaction refers to conventional activities that are actually carried out and are related to social functions. The main focus is on the speakers and how they present themselves to others. And 2. Talking as a transaction. Talking as a transaction focuses more on the message to be conveyed in speaking activities. Richard, 2008. There are two types of speaking activities as transaction, namely A. Activities whose main focus is giving and receiving information, and B. Activities whose main focus is to obtain good or service. For example, in the conversation of someone ordering food at a restaurant. And 3. Speaking as a appearance. Speaking as a appearance refers to speaking activities to convey information in public or participants. This model of speaking is more likely to lead to one-way rather than two-way speech dialogue, and it seems more like written language than conversation. Yes, I agree because our knowledge in mastering communication competence is a point of value for how we are able to master what we are going to convey and how we make our interlocutor understand what we are talking about. Communication competence is a person's ability to communication according to the topic, area, file to who the other person is talking to. Communication language teaching, or CLT, also known as a communication approach, is an approach to language teaching that emphasizes interaction as a means and the ultimate goal of learning. Language learners in learning environments that use CLT techniques, namely learning and practicing the target language through interaction with each other and with that instructor, learning about origin scripts rather in the target language for purpose other than language learning, and through the use of the language both inside and outside the classroom.